Are you planning of making donut business? Oh my goodness, you are at the right place because this video is going to be very helpful for you. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. This is where we do easy cooking recipes. So please do not make it the last time of visiting. Visit for more videos by subscribing or following. Thank you so much. They don't take money, okay? Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I have with me here my 2 cups of soy milk. The other day, someone was asking me the soy milk. She doesn't understand. We will talk about that later. I've added a tablespoon of yeast and a tablespoon of sugar. I will just mix it very well. Place it in a warm place for 7 to 10 minutes, then I'll get back to you. Okay, so she was asking me if the soy milk is, as in soil and then milk. No, it is from soya beans. Okay, so it is soya beans milk. Okay, yeah, I think now you get me. That is just by the way. After 10 minutes, I have added my 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, you can use soft flour, and I've added half cup of sugar. I've added a teaspoon of nutmeg, and I added extra 2 tablespoons of the flour. Do not make the flour too much so that it will become very hard. Okay, I've added a pinch of salt, then half cup of milk powder. So if you don't want the milk powder, you can just omit it and you are good to go. You will get the perfect result. So I will just go ahead and mix everything, and if you want to add something to it, we are going to add it. So do not go anywhere and let's continue with the procedure. Thank you so much, my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always having you here. Okay, I am so grateful. And again, this is the reason why I don't like wearing gloves when preparing food. Just look at that. I was struggling. So it got to a point that should I remove these gloves and just be myself. Okay, yeah, I think I was suffering from some burns, and I did not want to show you that. It's not everyone who wants to see those kind of things. That is why I was wearing the gloves. So if you see it somewhere that I have removed it, that is the reason. I was struggling with it and I don't like it. Now we are done mixing everything. I will just go ahead and knead the dough. Knead it very well, okay, with just 4 tablespoons of butter. You can see it. It is just 4 tablespoons. So with this recipe, we are not going to use a lot of butter because we are going to fry it. Please note that if you want to bake it, you can use any quantity of butter that you want, but so far as you are going to fry it, you make sure it is not too much. Any pastry that you are going to fry, you make sure the butter is not too much because it can scatter in the oil. Okay, already the butter is oil and you are coming to drop it in another oil, so you don't have to add a lot. That is why we use just 4 tablespoons. You make sure you knead the dough perfectly so that you can get perfect result, just like how I am doing on the screen. Should you are not comfortable with this, you can just hit it on the working surface. Okay, just hit it on the working surface, and then like how I'm doing right now, you are good to go. That also helps very well. So knead it very well. Please do well to follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, and I will be glad to have you there as well. For short videos, we are on TikTok, Instagram, and our YouTube short. Thank you so much for visiting. Okay, because I know you will come there. Now we are done kneading the dough, so I'll just go ahead and mold it like how you are seeing on the screen, and you can see that it is very smooth and soft. We are going to place this in a warm place for at least 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes we are back. Just look at that, it has increased in size, and I'm just going to remove some of the air from it by dipping my hand in it, okay, or punching it. Now I'll just divide it according to the sizes that I want. Okay, I can see at this part of the video looks some wavy, just forgive me. So I will cut it according to the sizes that I want, and after that we will continue with this. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you so much for your time. I don't take it for granted. I am very, very grateful for being here with me. Okay, yeah, so this is how we want it. And with this recipe, you can go ahead and mold it any size that you want. Okay, it can be round shape, it can be anyhow, but we are going to make it the way you saw on the thumbnail or the picture you saw before clicking this video. That is how we are going to do it. And should you want to sell this, you have to get some scale so that you can get the same size. But if you don't have the scale or you don't want to use the scale, you can as well gauge it, okay, so that you can get the size to be the same. You can see that. Yes, so now this is how we are going to shape our donut, and trust me, it is very easy to do so. Please do well to watch my other pastries videos, and trust me, you are going to love it. So you just do it like how you are seeing on the screen, okay, just like that, and then you continue. Thank you so much. I hope you are still with me. If yes, you are too much. You are so awesome. Okay, so after getting this length or any length of your choice, I just fold it like this, wrap it around the circle we made, just like how you are seeing, just like this, just like that, okay, around it like that, and then seal it. So we are going in again so that you can understand it. You just do your circle like this, wrap it around it, and then bring the other one, wrap it around it, and then you seal the two, okay, then you're good to go. Now after we are done with everything, this is the quantity we have. They are on my parchment paper. I'm just going to leave this for some time so that it can increase in size, at least an hour. So this is what we are going to do. You can put it in a warm place and then cover it. But on this day we were going out to have fun, so I was in a hurry, and this is what I did. I placed it in the sun. Okay, you know it is very hot at my end, and it was around 120 Fahrenheit that day. Very, very sunny. Okay, so it was in the sun and I covered it. After covering it, it didn't take like 30 minutes. This increased in size. Okay, it happened that way because it was very hot at my end. Now after that 30 minutes, this is how it looks. As you can see, it has increased in size. So I'm just going to fry this, and as I'm talking to you right now, I have my oil on fire. I'm just going to pick this and then drop it in the oil. You make sure the oil is not hot. Okay, it shouldn't be very hot, and it should be the heat should be on a medium heat, okay, so that it will not absorb the oil or it will not burn whilst the inside is not well cooked. So you drop it in like that, and then you are good to go. As you can see, my oil is not very, very, very hot. I just want to get it very beautiful. Okay, yeah, to some some. That is just by the way. So after the other side is well fried, I will just go ahead and flip it to the other side. You just have to have time for it. Okay, don't be in a rush, just have time for it. Flip it, from time to time, so that you can get that beautiful outcome. And when you arrange it to the market, people will buy. It will be attractive, okay, for people to buy. So after some few minutes, this is how it looks, and it looks so beautiful. I can't actually show you all the process already. The video is very, very long, okay? So we are just going to jump and then show you how it looks after so many minutes later. So this is how it looks, very beautiful. And now it is ready. I'll just remove it and allow it to rest on the paper towel, so that it can absorb some of the oil from it, and then that is the best way. So now we are done with everything, and this is how it looks, so beautiful. Just look at that. It was so delicious, and everyone fell in love with this finished within 2 days, okay? I'm just going to leave you to listen to something. It was fluffy and soft.
Wow, look at how it is. Fluffy.
And soft. I hope you hear that. Yes, that is from one of my husbands. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Do not forget to love your neighbor as yourself, not more than yourself. See you in the next one. Bye bye.